Travel toiletries, the essentials for your journey. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic, especially for those who love traveling. Travel toiletries. Understanding what travel toiletries are and how to choose them wisely can make your journeys more comfortable and hassle-free. So, let's dive into the world of toiletries, tailored for travel. Travel toiletries refer to the personal care items you take with you while traveling. These are usually smaller, more compact versions of your daily personal care products. The idea is to have everything you need without taking up too much space in your luggage. This can include items like shampoo, toothpaste, a toothbrush, soap, and deodorant, all in travel-sized containers. Choosing the right travel toiletries is crucial because they ensure you stay fresh and comfortable throughout your journey. However, it's not just about comfort. With airlines imposing strict rules on the amount and size of liquids you can carry in your hand luggage, being selective and strategic about your toiletries is a must. Picking the right products can also help you avoid any skin or hair care issues while you're away from home. 1. Go miniature. Opt for travel-sized versions of your favorite products. Many brands offer mini versions specifically for travelers. 2. Check regulations. Be aware of the airline's regulations regarding liquids. Typically, containers should not exceed 100 milliliters, and all your items must fit in a clear, resealable plastic bag. 3. Prioritize essentials. Focus on the must-haves. You might not need that full skincare routine for a short trip. 4. Think multi-use. Products that serve more than one purpose can save space and weight. For instance, a shampoo conditioner combo or a moisturizer with SPF. 5. Leak-proof containers. Ensure all containers are tightly sealed. Consider using plastic wraps or bags for an extra layer of protection against leaks. Creating your own DIY travel toiletries kit allows you to personalize your travel experience. You can choose eco-friendly options, pick products suitable for your skin and hair type, and even save money in the long run. Small reusable bottles can be refilled with your favorite products from home, ensuring you don't have to compromise on quality or comfort. Travel toiletries are a small but significant part of your travel checklist. They ensure you stay fresh, comfortable, and ready to enjoy your adventure to the fullest. Remember, the key is to keep it compact, compliant with travel regulations, and customized to your personal needs. We hope this video helps you pack smarter for your next journey. Happy travels and see you in the next video.